So even though it was a late night last night, woke up early and got out here to an empty silica circuit. Gonna do a little bit of testing today to see if the changes that old Scottie don't made. We found an old alignment spec sheet from back in the day, so hopefully that'll help. I just got to change tires and probably put fuel in it because those are a little bald. So slap some new Valinos on and give this thing a test. I only have a tiny bit of fuel, so I got to make these laps count. And that was it. Well, the test went pretty well. The steering feels infinitely better than it did before. I think we just now need to adjust the steering stops. Thank you, Scottie. Thank you, Shea, for letting us use your alignment rack. It feels infinitely better. There's no bind. I could throw the car. It feels good. But I developed a new issue, and that would be, as I was doing those small figure eights, I would be consistent throttle, and then the power would just go away. So, gonna have to see what Scottie can do about that. But otherwise, car feels great. Now it's time to pack it back in the trailer, go load up everything at the shop, unpack that trailer into Mike's trailer, mount tires, edit this video, and get on the road tomorrow for Midpond. Whew, I'm so excited. This car feels great now. So I've been doing some troubleshooting on the throttle thing from today. And this is something really cool that the Holley does. You can data log the dash. And so it'll play back your whole run. Because I was trying to hold the phone and do a run and it wouldn't work. So you can see here I'm going and then the throttle position just drops to 0 when I'm still at like 60%. So good to have as a troubleshooting tool. That is pretty awesome, I'd say. So I'm sending these to Scottie and he's telling me to change things in real time. This is cool. Well, all loaded up and headed back to the shop to get our final pack on and head on out tomorrow. Still got a lot of cleaning to do because it gave up last night and Scottie got done with the car. So off we went. I would like to take this time, however, to thank all the new subscribers that are coming in. You guys are amazing. I don't think that the content is wholly worthwhile. It's just doing what I do. simple editing, simple cuts. Not a whole lot of meat and potatoes, so I appreciate all the new people that are joining in. Check it out. Scotch and the beers are definitely way more in depth than the S13 stuff, but it's me fumbling my way through drifting still to this day. Thank you guys. And I think that brings me, well, nothing really brings me here. I was just thinking about this as I'm driving back to the shop. I feel like drifting has this weird magical thing where, like, if you've even been to one really good drift event in your entire life, doesn't matter where it is in the world, where it is in the United States, like, that hooks you onto this feeling where you want to go travel all the time. But then you finally get ready to go traveling and it's this huge battle. It's very unenjoyable. Getting everything ready, making sure you have spares, making sure you have everything that you need to go halfway across the country and hopefully not break your car first lap out. But it's like we have all this build-up and these positive feelings towards the event, and then so you're yearning for the event, and then it finally starts to get down to the wire, and then it sucks really, 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 really bad as you're getting everything ready to go, mounting tires, etc., etc., etc. Or in my case, rebuilding heads and rebuilding the entire front end of the car, which is, again, it's my fault, and maybe I'm just venting a little bit, but it's like so much work goes into traveling. So anybody that's ever come to my events, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Anybody that travels to other event coordinators events, thank you from the bottom of my heart as well. You guys, you're champions, and I love you. That's all I'm trying to say here is, once we get to Spring Break Bash, we're going to have a great time. Even on the road there and on the road back, I think we're going to have a great time. Me, Mike, and Scotty. It's going to be a good time, regardless of what happens. So, anyway, rant over. Back to driving back to the shop.
Alright, Dan's gonna do it, so.
Unloading my trailer. Just got all my tires. Well, just got all my wheels down. Just organizing piles. Cleaned out the inside of Mike's trailer. Wheels and tires are gonna go up there. Barrel of fuel's gonna go right there. Cars and stuff's gonna go right there. It's gonna be okay. Now begins the super fun and arduous task of stacking tires. Isn't this your favorite part?
Every time.
Oh boy.
Honestly, I think it's gonna be easy.
Oh, lots of effort. It's an S chassis festival in here. Got lots of Boustain E85. We got the Valinos mounted. We got the Valinos put in here. We got all the tools. We got the goodies. We got tents. We got clothes. Just need to get that bumper wrapped and put up there. And we should be good to go. Of course, it's dead battery city over here, so I gotta charge that. To charge 2 other cars to move them out of the way, but the sky right now is on one. That pink and blue, that's looking phenomenal. I think the hardest part now about having a family is leaving it. As much as I like going to drift events, I don't like leaving this. So, see you later, bud. High five. I'll take it. The haymaker. What? All right.
You didn't do that.
I couldn't do that.
Try this.
All right. Thanks, dude. Love you.
Morning one.
Just starting the morning off on my favorite vehicle that I own. So in an actual foresight that I had that was actually good for once, as soon as the first bomb dropped on Iran, I went out and filled my 2 empty 55-gallon drums with diesel at $2.53 a gallon. And now it's $5.30 a gallon in New Mexico, where it's normally really cheap. So our first fill up is going to be $2.50 diesel. Pretty stoked about that. And still going. Admittedly, it's not the fastest way to fill up a tank, but we're getting close, I think. Or maybe we're not. Maybe I'll just be here for another 30 minutes. Worth it though. Well, we're only an hour late leaving, so that's pretty good. Finally getting out of the old GK Tech.
Restaurant. Dude, water course.
While we're driving, just going ahead,
So,
editing my life away.
yeah, my friend Lauren owns it, and dude, she is, even she's like, Bushy.
We're here at the Busey's, getting some diesel. It's a little cheaper than Albuquerque, but not much. Still hurts, considering it was probably less than $3 a gallon 3 weeks ago. We're gonna go check inside the trailer and see how everything's faring. Thanks.
Spray diesel all over your truck.
Oh, also he sprayed diesel all over my truck. Hopefully everything's kind of as it should be. Guess we're gonna find out. Okay, it's not that one. Okay, it's not that one. Okay, it's that one. Oh my God. It's looking all right in here. It's like it never happened. Yeah. All right. Good job.
What's this stuff all over my car?
Oh, dude.
Just kidding. That was there before.
Now, for those of you that ain't never been to a Buc-ee's, that's the size of a shopping mall. And there's a few pumps.
It's not the size of a shopping mall. Come on. Come on.
That is a shopping mall.
What kind of malls do you go to?
Small ones in Albuquerque.
Coronado will destroy this.
No.
Fuck you. Okay, bro.
805, but it's Buc-ee's. If you know, you know. It goes on, and it goes on. Then they got lots of food and snacks, and the cleanest bathrooms you'll ever see. Crass. Well, I mean, Buc-ee's is the definition of Texas. It's everything is bigger in Texas, taken to the literal example, except for their corn chips, which are disappointingly small. What are you gonna do? Just Texas things. Dude just crossed the street at 0.5 miles an hour. It's uncanny.
That's a long ride. Oh, they're waiting for the yacht.
Second real stop of the day. Chewy's. We are deep in the heart of Texas. Scottie's favorite place to eat. So that is what we're doing. We are in Dallas. My tires didn't get here. So I have 8.5 tires for all of the event. Unfortunate. We're outside of Dallas now. Fill it up. Diesel is horrible. But at least it's not over 5 here. So that's cool. Crashing out for the night and then onwards to Alabama in the morning. Well, Louisiana certainly lets you know that you're in it. And this will pretty much go on for the entire state. So that's something to look forward to.